Hello everybody, my name is Miss Sayers. I'm from Teachers Safari. I am just setting up the Zoom meeting for my students. Today we are going to be learning how to make a sentence in English using the simple present form. Okay, so I will just go in and set that bit up and then we will get started straight away. Here we go. Let's see who's going to join us today. Okay, going into the group, going live. Okay, streaming, and we will get started. Okay, if you would like to join us one time for an English class, you can join our group at Student Safari on Facebook, and I will put the information in the bottom of the YouTube for you to see. We have 2 classes a week, Thursdays and Sundays, which are live classes. Okay, so let me just share my screen. Present simple, here we go. Okay, so how to make a sentence in English using the present simple form, the most easiest form in English, okay? Present simple. Subject, verb, object. A subject is a person, a place, or a thing. So I, he, she, they, we. A place, the mall, the street, a thing, a ball, a monkey, a chair, a thing, a noun. So we have subject, which is a noun, verb, a doing action word, and object, a noun. Okay? All sentences in English are made this way. Subject, verb, object. I go to school. Okay, he goes to the park. Do you notice that it changes between go and goes? For he, she, and they, we add this, or the plural form. Okay, now we have subject, verb, object. I, we, they. I run to the beach. Subject, verb, object. It runs to the beach. That makes no sense. What about instead of it, we could say the dog runs with an S to the beach. Okay. He kicks the ball. He kicks the ball. Can you find the subject? Can you find the verb? Kick. This is what he's doing here. Kick, kick the ball. The object. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next slide here. Hi, everybody. We'll go back to the next slide. So here we are. That's not what I was looking for. We'll go back over to my other slide, which is here. All right, stop that share. We'll go back here and we'll go to stop share and we'll go to the next slide, okay? Where am I? I can't even see if you're there, my students. Let's see if anybody's watching. Okay, so Okay, here we go. Let's continue on. Share screen. Back to my presentation. They play hockey at the ring. They play hockey at the rink. Okay, so they is the subject, play is the verb, hockey is the noun, at the rink. Okay, the next one is subject, verb, object. We get the ball. What if we want to make the ball the subject? We want to tell the story about the ball. So instead of the story being about us, the ball is the story. So the ball goes to the front. The ball rolls down the road. The ball rolls down the road. So we've changed the order. So we've put a place at the end and a thing at the start, because whatever is at the start is what we are talking about. Okay? The crowd walks to the mall. The crowd is the people, the noun, the people. Walks, because it has an S, because it's an it, to the mall, a place. They walk to the mall. Okay, is it working, my streaming? Okay, next we have she looks at jewelry. She is the person, she, and this is jewelry. She looks at jewelry. Jewelry. They sit at the meeting. Person or subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. Okay, the next thing is we have some verbs here. Okay, so we have the verb is graduate, throw, and finish. Let's make some of our own sentences together. Okay, so let's talk about first the subject. Okay, the people. So let's say the people or the students, because they look like students. The students graduate, and the verb, the object, let's make the object school. The students graduate from school. They throw, so throw is this, throw their hats because they graduated. They threw their hats in the sky. Throw. Let's try another verb. Finish. The students finish university. The students have finished university. It actually sounds better in the past form for the word finish, but for this example, the student finished university. Okay, let's go to a place where some people are camping, okay? So we have a subject, a verb, and an object. Okay, so the subject is the people. The people. Okay, so the people talk at the picnic or at the camp. The people talk at the picnic. So subject, verb, object. Object is what they are, the noun picnic. Okay, what about drink? The man remember it's he, she, or it. We need to put an S with the verb, okay? So the man is a he. The man drinks water. A glass of water. Okay, sit. The people or the friends sit by the fire. Camp. The friends camp together. The friends sit by the camp. So camp can be a place, or it also can be a verb, to camp. Okay? So this is complete. I hope that you have enjoyed today's class. You can see even the structure of this: subject, verb, object to make a sentence. This is the subject. The lesson is complete. Complete is the object, and is the form to be, which means a verb. Okay, so I will see you again in another class. If you would love to subscribe on my channel, that would be amazing, and I'll keep bringing you some more videos. Okay, so I'm Miss Monique. I'm from Teachers Safari, and I will be seeing you another day in class.